Hello, in this series we will learn about natural language processing. Specifically, we'll learn how we can classify textual information using natural language processing. We will also learn how we can use the same to create the core component or the engine of a chatbot. Natural language processing is the understanding and manipulation of natural language by computers. Unlike programming languages, the computer programming languages, which are very structured and well defined and have strict rules, natural language is very unstructured and it is held together by a framework of grammar rather than by rules. Natural language is the language that's spoken by humans. They do not have strict rules, but rather a framework. This guides the grammar guides the language. Hence, natural language, that is human language, can be quite challenging to process because, first of all, it is highly ambiguous. This is especially seen in the English language, where the same sentence can be interpreted as different things by different people, but it is also changing and evolving over time. It is complex and it is quite diverse. People are capable of producing language and understanding languages. They are capable of expressing, perceiving, and interpreting the elaborate and nuanced meanings of the language. So while humans are great users of the language, we are also very poor at formally understanding and describing the rules that govern the language. So everyone can learn languages, they can use it, but if we were to formally define the rules of the language strictly, that proves to be very difficult. Now all the languages are loosely governed with a framework, and there is a big difference between natural language processing and the programming languages, which are a lot more structured and well defined. The natural language processing techniques are particularly used to process and analyze large amounts of textual information, that is, large amounts of natural language. This is particularly important in today's world, where we are swamped with a lot of unstructured language data on a variety of social media platforms that people engage with. So there is a lot of unstructured data out there which is available on a variety of platforms. So be it Twitter, Instagram, any public content that is available on Facebook. However, the things to note about natural language processing is to note that it is very different from the other types of data that we use in machine learning problem statements. The machine learning algorithms take in data in the numeric format. So there has to be some way or a technique where the unstructured natural language can be converted into a form that can be fed as an input to the machine learning algorithms. So this means that we need to create a numeric representation of the textual data. Now there are a couple of things to note about natural language processing. One, first of all, is its complexity. For example, when we write, we may often misspell or abbreviate words, or we may omit punctuations. So natural language processing helps computers communicate with humans in their own language. It also helps scale up the language-related tasks. So if there is a structured languages, which are any of the programming languages that are available, Computer to computer communication is easy, it's already in the digital form. However, what we are focusing on over here is the human to computer interaction. Now, natural language processing makes it possible for the computers to read the text given by human users, but not only read the text now, but also the computer should be able to interpret the text. It should also get some information out of the input text. Now, this information can be something like measuring the sentiment, or determine which parts of the information is important. So topics can be identified. What is the subject matter of the sentence can be identified. Understanding all of this will enable you to build a core component of any conversational bot. So this is basically the core engine of a conversational bot. In this series, we will learn to create this core engine. We will learn how to classify textual information using the various techniques of natural language processing. This will be the core engine which can be used with any UI on top of it to create the complete chatbot. Thank you.